holders another 40x is totally goes down in the previous 7 days. Then a lot of people decide to this is selling time and 40x is totally in the losting. 40x totally in the losting and we are going to sell it. So this is I think very bad mistake and a lot of YouTubers also tell you to this is selling time, please sell it, sell now, I we should go to sell. This is kindly very bad mistake, please. So please kindly focus on this video because today is change. Fondi X totally changed. The change is very bad, you good, sorry, the change is gone very good. So congratulations Fondi X lovers holder, and for sorry for those people who sell it already. This is very big mistake if you are do this. Okay, so let's discuss the live price prediction. Today video is going very special for Fondi X holder, my millionaire brother. What's going on? Today video is very special, so let's get start the price prediction. Before I get started this video, I request you my brother to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. You just click on the red button, then I am updating you a good news. I already, you can check out my previous videos about Fondi X. I already said you don't sell it. I cannot tell you any video to please sell it, because I cannot do this mistake from not me and not telling you. Okay, so now today if you can see here the price starting increasing, you can see here the price go up. What a brilliant shot. And I hope just one day they cross 5 US dollar. Yes, just one day. And if you can check out the previous result, they are totally go to 4.3 US dollar, I think something. But today you can see here very small change, but the price is increasing very fastly. You can see here, let's check out the market cap to what's going on in the market cap and also market diluted market cap. Okay, because this is very important. So guys, if you can see here market cap is not showing. Why is there no market cap? I think but this time we cannot click on the more button. Fully diluted market cap, if you can see here, this is 3.71%. So Fondi Act holder, congratulations my brother, they are totally positive. You can see here the volume change of last 24 hours as a negative. So this is big change. You can see here 13.92% they're going down. Yes, absolutely right, this is right result. Because if you out the previous result, the previous changes, they are totally a negative. But at the same time they are starting and increasing very fastly. They are going up like a rocket. So if you can see here in the graph result, this is totally goes down. You can see here they totally starting dumping. So let's get the last 1 day result to what's going on in the last 1 day result. The last 1 day result is almost very important, so you just watch the last 1 day chart, friends. I telling you, so the Fondi X is totally goes down sometime, but sometimes they again starting very highly jumping. So let's check out first of all we come down to the market cap, the marketing every result about changes etc. So you can see here the price change last 24 hour as a 3.44 US dollar. You can see here the sorry 0.1594 US dollar. What a brilliant shot. They are totally gone up, and I hope they can cross easily. They can cross easily 5 US dollar. So the change is here. Trading volume, you can see here just, and trading volume has gone and negative 13.76 76%. They gone down, but I hope in upcoming time they also starting increasing now. So just wait for good time my brothers. And what, how do you feel today? Please tell me, because this is very important for you. Okay, so you can, if you can see here and the last previous 7 day result, they are totally goes down. You see it here, they are totally goes down my brother, but again they're starting jump like a rocket and they're going up very fastly my friend. But all holder I think just tell me to this is selling time to sell it. But I think this is very big mistake who sell it, because you can see here they're starting again jumping now. But these people are very unlucky who sell it. So if you have any plan to buy more, then please buy it. These days are very good, and I hope they give you a very good price. So we are waiting for good time. I hope good time and good time is coming now, coming soon. So please wait, don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the good time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.